Traders, what a great buying opportunity to be caught today. Economic news led the way, and also the profile of the 13th. Check out this video to see how we did it. Good morning, everyone. Hope all is well. All right, we are 4 minutes and 30 seconds until cash open. I do have the 227 calls and the 226 calls, with 226 in my active trader. Price is a little expensive at $162, but we know that's going to change at cash open. So as long as it goes down $62 or more, then we'll be good to go. VIX is climbing, but still below the 20 mark right now at 1594. Uh, Price on IWM is outside of the balance of yesterday, but we're also near a single print area of the 13th, which is the 225.48 area to 225.29. We have volume, kind of a volume spike around 225.25. And then there's the value high of the 13th, 225.15. So there is a lot of signs, a lot of reasons to buy. Also, the Empire manufacturing report, even though that's not a market mover, it's still something to pay attention to, was very positive. All right, 3 minutes. So as price continues to fall, it's coming into a nice area where we're starting to see some pickup. There again, there is a volume spike. Let me find that again. Where is it? 13th. Yep, a volume spike right around 225.23 down to 225.14. So we may see price hit that area and then spike up. Excuse me, spike up. We're kind of starting to see that right now in this 5 minute candle. The last 5 minutes before cash open. That is an area where for the week we see some uptick in value or volume in that area. And we're starting to see that now in this candle before the market open. We are 3 standard deviations on VWAP lower. Again, VWAP is not 100% important. 20%, I believe, is the number, but it is a guide. And as we get to that the volume spike, 225.25, we're seeing less volume in that area. So that's telling me that there's no interest to continue to drop prices there. We just need to see that in real time when cash open happens, or at cash open. So we are in that single print of the 13th with a minute and 10 seconds left. 225.48, 225.29. And as we're again hitting that volume spike at 225.25, we're starting to see some reaction. So even though we're in 225s, 226 is the actual play because the way calls work to be out slightly out of the money. All right, 40 seconds until cash open. Get some of this stuff out of the way so I can see. Again, I got 226s in my 226 calls in my active trader. 227 is in my watch list, but we're not gonna see that. All right, we're starting to see a spike with 30 seconds left. I mean, sorry, with 10 seconds left. All right, 8 seconds. All right, market should be opening, excuse me, now. All right, as we push down, value low. Prices are nice at only $38 too. All right, prices pushing lower with no interest. So that's a good sign. And prices are really good too. $31 with only a 2 cent spread. Price just hit the value low or value high of the 13th. So, and it continues to hit that 225 area with no interest there. Hit that value spike. All right, I'm taking this. I'm in at 226 calls. I'm in at $29 per contract. So right now we are $29 per contract, and at right now look like we're in profit of $6. Okay, there go the buyers there. Just pushed higher, and I should be $10 in. All right, I got my first $10. So I'm moving my stop to break even. I mean, moving my stop a little bit past my entry. Oh, and then buyers are coming in heavy now. There we go. Good stuff. So almost at 49, almost at $20 mark. Buyers are really coming in. They just passed the extreme low of yesterday. So that may be the first sign of resistance. So we may only get the $10. Yeah, it looks like that's what's happening. Oh, okay. They're still coming hard. It is the first sign of resistance at 225 51. They pushed through it. Okay, we may be getting at $10. $49 per contract would be that was a really good price. $29 per contract was awesome. You can't go wrong with that. I haven't seen a IWM that low in some time. And I just hit my second target. So $49 per contract. I am done. $20 and it's still players are still in the market too. We're hitting that second deviation, so that could be take profit area, first sign of resistance or second sign of resistance actually. Yeah, yep, they're taking profit at roughly 225.70. Not to say it won't continue to spike higher, but they're taking profit. Anytime you get a first sign of resistance or any resistance, you take profits there. All right, let me go over to the chat, see how you all did. That was a good one. Buyers came in. That was wasn't a lot of flair in that one. We didn't see any resistance or any trickery in that one. That was pretty straightforward. Buyers are still in the market too. Let me move over. I'm looking at the chart and I'm seeing y'all typing in. Let me move over here to see what's going on. As I'm talking, the buyers are still trying to, I mean, it's still hitting the second sign of resistance at 225.72. So they're definitely taking profits. And you got to be careful with take profits because that could reverse the market. Got filled at 36. Hit your first TP. Awesome. It's still in there. They're still pushing. The buyers are still pushing higher. It's still hitting that first sign of resistance though. 225.71 now. It looks like it moved down. All right, let me read what y'all got going on. Sorry, I'm still looking at the charts and I'm seeing your notes come in. So Russell, did that mean you caught it? The buy up? You said nicely done. I know you in. Ah, okay. Awesome. All right. Let me go. Let me make sure I have nothing working. Always got to double check to make sure your account is fine when, especially with TOS. Sometimes you have to just double check to make sure nothing is working. All right, nothing's working, so I'm good. All right, let me focus on you guys. All right, great work. Got your first take profit, and you had the trail got hit. Okay. First time making a trade here, 16%, almost 500. Wow, awesome. And that's real money too? Awesome. Yeah, this was pretty straightforward. It was no flair to this one. This was a straight follow the leader type of trade. And at 32, 44 real money. Awesome bad trader. Again, we're gonna try to turn that bad trader to a decent trader at least. Bad market fill at 36. 36 you still got you profit though. And that's not that definitely wasn't a good fill, especially when I got in at 29, which you should at least get have gotten 10 cent or $10. And at 34, out at 44, raise your stop. Awesome. So you locked in that profit, protected it. 36 again. So see, some of you guys got 36, some 34. Even with that 36, 34, I still should be 36 and you got wow, 47. That's good. Got your first take profit. Awesome. One contract futures, $8 per contract. What was that? $8 total. Either way, it's still good. Yeah, it's tough to for the runners. I always battle with myself too on leaving runners. I just with my experience, especially with IWM, first take profits are normally all you're gonna get. Those runners are rare. I just take what the market gives me, protect it, and then try to get that $20 per contract. Real money, awesome. 36, 44, 48, awesome. 34, $10 per contract. 44, second at 42, just your stop. There you go. Protect that profit. Awesome. Next, improving trader, next level. Nice. $30, got first target. Oh, you got it at 30? So you was right with me. I was at 29. So entry at 30, missed the 29, jump 36, didn't take it. Okay. Yeah, VPN can be a little flaky. 100 contracts. Wow, big money. 100 contracts, 34 in, took 75 off at 42, $836. Wow, cash? Nice. Nice. $20 went in a little early. That's still good. Right. Yeah, VPN can be flaky, depending on the device you use. And yeah, they're taking profits here. You can this they clearly taking it. 225, 40, sorry, 225, 64 now. Not to say they won't continue to buy up because we all know the market can't put all their orders in at once. So this could be a second pop higher. I don't trust it. When they take profit, I take profit. Got in at 36, out at 42. My first time in profit. Nice. Found the new home. Awesome. Yeah, this is definitely a makeup from yesterday. I made a small profit, but I know a lot of you all had a bad feel yesterday. So it's good to have a bounce back day. I'm striving for consistency. So this if you did take a loss yesterday, if you was with me for the entire ride, I think this is the fourth week. This is if you took a loss yesterday, that should only be your second out of what 13 trades we've done. So consistency is definitely my goal. You are very welcome. You tried to turn it off this morning, kept reconnecting. Yeah, VPNs, 34 to 42, awesome. Good stuff. So they're still buying. They're still buying. Again, I just don't trust it. Once they start showing me when they're taking profits, that's when I take profits. If I haven't already made my $20 goal. It's just no way to know if they're going to continue higher. My mission is to catch moments by looking at market profile and order flow. All right. This is awesome. Definitely a good bounce back day from yesterday for those who got a bad feel yesterday. Again, I got a decent feel yesterday, but profit wasn't the best. Yeah, they're definitely taking profits now. So if you ain't take all of it now, I would take it all. There's no way of not leaving money on the table. A good trader always leaves money on the table. It sucks sometimes, but consistency is it. All right, I am about to have CTC you type in, so I'm gonna read yours and reply, then I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. Get ready for the snow we're gonna get in a few hours. Okay. A little, yeah, with market profile, with market orders, I'm sorry. It's just whatever the available price is at that moment when you click it. So it's gonna be a delay, even on voice. It just shouldn't be a like a 10 cent type of a $10 delay. That right there is a I think yesterday was that, right? It was like 5 to 10 cent delay, which was crazy yesterday. It shouldn't be that type of a delay. Thank you. You too. Appreciate it. East Coast. I'm East Coast. Actually, I'm in Virginia, so about to get that snow. Yeah, they're definitely taking profit. So yeah, if you're still in, take it all. For it. My advice would be to take it all. Not giving any financial advice, but that's what I would do. All right, y'all have a great one, and I will. Any questions that come in afterwards, give me a few to try to prepare my driveway for the snow, and then I'll come back and answer any questions that come up. All right, everyone, y'all have a great rest of your day, and I will see y'all tomorrow. Again, I start my analysis at 8:45, 8:50-ish, and then I go on voice 5 minutes before cash open, so at 9:25. All right, see y'all then.